akan bermula sebentar sahaja lagi. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yang berusaha Profesor Insinyur Dr. Shariza Ibrahim, Timbalan Naib Chancellor Pendidikan dan Inovasi Universiti Malaya. Yang berusaha Profesor Dr. Ivy Chung, Pengarah Pusat Inovasi dan Perusahaan Universiti Malaya. Encik Richard Tan Han Cheng, Ketua Jualan Syarikat Touch Safe Sendian Berhad. Dr. Leong Chi On, Ketua Pegawai Eksekutif Syarikat AGTC Genomics Sendian Berhad. Miss Yen Lee, Ketua Pemasaran Syarikat Reskills Agtech Sendian Berhad, Wakil-Wakil Universiti Malaya, Wakil-Wakil Syarikat Industri, seterusnya para hadirin yang dihormati sekalian. Mencari timba si anak dara, di bawah sarang burung tempur. Salam sembah pembuka bicara, selamat datang untuk semua. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Selamat datang diucapkan ke majlis menandatangani perjanjian persefahaman MOU bersama Touch Safe Sendian Berhad, AGTC Genomics Sendian Berhad dan Reskills Agtech Sendian Berhad. Hadirin sekalian, majlis akan dimulakan dengan ucapan alu-aluan oleh Yang Berusaha Profesor Dr. Ivy Chung, Pengarah Pusat Inovasi dan Perusahaan Universiti Malaya. Dengan segala hormatnya, majlis mempersilakan.
Terima kasih MC, and may I allow me to continue the session in English. So good afternoon, a very good afternoon to Professor Insinyur Dr. Shariza Ibrahim, our Deputy Vice Chancellor Research and Innovation, Mr. Richard Tan, Head of Sales Touch Safe Sendian Berhad, Dr. Leong Chi On, the CEO of AGTC Genomics Sendian Berhad, Miss Yen Lee, Head of Marketing from Reskill EdTech Sendian Berhad, also Professor Dr. Nasruddin bin Abdul Rahim, Director of UMPIDEC, Professor Sanjay Rampal, our Deputy Dean Research from Faculty of Medicine, and all our honorable guests today. Really, on behalf of Center of Innovation Enterprise, also named as UMCIE, I would like to welcome all of you here to witness the MOU signing ceremony between and also our industry partners, the three companies just mentioned, TouchSafe, AGTC Genomics, and Reskill EdTech. This is in conjunction with our Research Carnival event these 3 days. So the Malaysian government has placed quite a strong emphasis on enhancing the country's technology transfer framework, and this clearly can be seen under the RMK12 initiative, where aligning research and development towards commercialization has been determined as the relevant game changer to realize and maximize our impact of R&D from the universities. And technology transfer officers, such as UMCIE, we are given a huge responsibilities to ensure that this process of technology transfer can be done as efficient as possible. We are here dedicated to facilitate all businesses and organizations in their journey to adopt new ideas, new technologies, and we hope together we can create new business opportunities for economic growth in Malaysia. So today we will witness 3 important academia industry collaborations to advance R&D and also to bring the research towards commercialization and capacity building. So first of all, let me briefly describe TouchSafe. TouchSafe is our commercialization partner for an antiviral coating agent that was invented by Professor Nasruddin and Dr. Shakil from UMPIDEC. Through a pilot project sponsored by TouchSafe, this coating agent was applied to the furniture at this auditorium and also the toilets at the level 1 KPPI in this building. So the application of this groundbreaking solution has the potential to drastically reduce the transmission of viruses and other infectious particles within the environment. So this proposed project is intended to provide a platform to validate the usability and efficacy of this product in a real-world setting prior to its large-scale implementation. So I was informed that this is a critical step to close the innovation gap and to ensure the success of the product launch later. Next, the industry academic collaboration between and AGTC Genomics is another great example of how knowledge exchange and research collaboration can be used to advance healthcare. So together with experts from the Department of Medical Microbiology and also Pharmacology, Faculty of Medicine, such as Associate Professor Dr. Cindy Tay and also Professor Shashila, to name a few, AGTC and have joined forces to develop sequencing approaches to study genetics and also other medical conditions. Through this partnership, AGTC Genomics has been also able to show its know-how and experience with while will provide capacity building and other resources to help AGTC Genomics develop its sequencing approaches. The importance of sequencing approaches in medical sciences cannot be overstated, as they are really providing valuable insights into the underlying causes of various medical conditions in order for us to develop more functional and effective diagnostic tools. So last but not least, I would like to touch upon and Reskill EdTech. We have recently entered a strategic partnership to provide online training to enhance the student skill set and advance student entrepreneurship. So this is really very close to UMCIE's agenda. This initiative will focus on the capacity building, upskilling, and reskilling students to prepare them for the digital transformation of the workforce. And this partnership between UMCIE and Reskill EdTech is a great example how universities and businesses can work together to create meaningful opportunities for our beloved students. So finally, my heartiest congratulations to all the partnerships between and TouchSafe, AGTC Genomics, and Reskill EdTech. Hence, this MOU signing event really marks a significant first step together into the collaboration, and I look forward to great success in the coming future. Thank you.
Terima kasih diucapkan kepada Profesor Dr. Ivy Chung di atas ucapan yang diberikan sebentar tadi. Para hadirin sekalian, majlis diteruskan lagi dengan ucapan perasmian oleh Yang Berusaha Profesor Insinyur Dr. Shaliza Ibrahim, Timbalan Naib Chancellor Penyelidikan dan Inovasi. Majlis dengan segala hormatnya mempersilakan.
Terima kasih Puan Pengerusi Majlis. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good afternoon. Mr. Richard Tan, Head of Sales, TouchSafe Sdn Bhd, Dr. Leong Chi On, CEO of AGTC Genomics Sdn Bhd, Ms. Yen Lee, Head of Marketing Reskills EdTech Sdn Bhd, Yang Berusaha Profesor Dr. Saiful, Director of Institute of Research Management and Services, Yang Berusaha Profesor Dr. Ivy Chung, Director of Universiti Malaya Innovation and Enterprise, UMCIE, Yang Berusaha Profesor Dr. Sanjay Rampal, anak lelaki Lekhraj Rampal, Deputy Dean of Research, Faculty of Medicine, Yang Berusaha Profesor Dr. Nasruddin Abdul Rahim, Director of UMPDEC. Ladies and gentlemen, industry-academia partnership is a key factor in the open innovation ecosystem, as universities and technology-based companies can come together to drive research commercialization. The partnership enables a technology push from the university and a technology pull from the industry, which can be mutually beneficial. Through the partnerships, universities can gain access to industry resources and expertise, which companies can benefit from the latest research and knowledge. Additionally, industry-academia partnerships can help to foster entrepreneurship, as students and faculty members can gain access to resources and training to help them turn their ideas into successful businesses. The Universiti Malaya and TouchSafe have entered into an agreement that is mutually beneficial for both parties. will act as the testing partner for TouchSafe's antimicrobial product, while TouchSafe will be the commercialization partner for the antiviral coating agent that is developed by Prof. Nasruddin and Dr. Shakil from UMPDEC. So the Memorandum of Understanding is a landmark step towards research commercialization, leveraging the university's expertise and intellectual property. Through the collaboration, both and TouchSafe will be able to share knowledge and resources to bring the innovation to fruition. Another industry-academia partnership is between and AGTC Genomics. This research collaboration is focused on advancing next-generation sequencing approaches in medical science research, capacity building, and biomarker development for colorectal cancer prevention. The partnership between AGTC Genomics and the Faculty of Medicine experts, Associate Professor Dr. Cindy Tay, Prof. Dr. Ivy, Prof. Dr. Sashila, Dr. Kumuta, and Dr. Ngoy, will bring together the expertise of both parties to develop innovative solutions to address the current challenges in the field. It will also provide an opportunity to build capacity and foster new collaborations in the medical research field. Student entrepreneurship is becoming increasingly important in universities across the world. The collaboration between represented by Center of Innovation and Enterprise, UMCIE, and ReSkills EdTech is an invaluable opportunity for students to expand their knowledge and sharpen their skill set. Through the ReSkills e-learning platform, students are able to access a vast array of industry experts, resources, and training materials. These materials can provide a good foundation for students to gain a deeper understanding of the subject matter, as well as provide them with the practical tools and knowledge necessary to succeed in the modern marketplace. Industry academia partnerships are essential to the success of student entrepreneurship, startups, and research commercialization. I believe through these partnerships, we can create more opportunities for research commercialization, allowing researchers to take their research from the lab to the market. By working together with industries, we can co-create exciting, innovative products and services that could benefit the society. Besides, student entrepreneurs can gain access to resources, mentorship, and guidance from experienced professionals. With the right support, industry-academia partnerships can be a powerful force for advancing research commercialization and university entrepreneurship. I would like to express my sincere appreciation to TouchSafe, AGTC Genomics, and ReSkills EdTech, as well as the whole team who have worked towards realizing these partnerships. We look forward to working together with TouchSafe, AGTC Genomics, and ReSkills EdTech in making the desirable socio-economic impact. With that, I thank you. Wabillahi taufiq wa hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Demikianlah tadi ucapan perasmian oleh Timbalan Naib Chancellor Penyelidikan dan Inovasi. Kini majlis diteruskan lagi dengan ucapan oleh Wakil Syarikat Industri. Majlis dengan segala hormatnya mempersilakan Encik Richard Tan Han Cheng, Ketua Jualan Syarikat TouchSafe Sdn Berhad, untuk naik ke atas pentas bagi menyampaikan sepatah dua kata. Dipersilakan.
Good afternoon to the Deputy Vice Chancellor, Dr. Shaliza, Dr. Ivy Chong, fellow industry partners of and all honorable guests. As per mentioned by Dr. Shaliza, we too strongly agree that the industry-academia partnership is one big factor opening up innovation ecosystem of Malaysia. By continuing to push the exposure of IP and talents of university students, Malaysia as an emerging country can be also known as one of the upcoming technology country instead of just solely relying on our natural resources. A little background of TouchSafe Sdn Berhad. We are a team of 5 formed over the pandemic. Looking at how the pandemic affected our country, we vowed to do something for the country. As we were trying to contribute over the pandemic, we came across the importance of antimicrobial in the industries. We realized that many commodities were claimed to be antimicrobial, but they were without proper acknowledgement and certifications. Over the course of 6 months, we were able to launch our product SentoSafe with all certifications such as FDA, CE, SIAA. Understanding Malaysia's market, we know these aren't enough to be convinced that our products work. That's where offered to do tests on us, thus the MOU signing ceremony today to prove and acknowledge our products. Big appreciation on that. Other developed countries such as Korea, Singapore, Thailand, and Hong Kong, their government have invested heavily over the pandemic on antimicrobial. Singapore even made it compulsory to have their antimicrobial agent to be quoted all over their HDB. Unfortunately, Malaysia have gone through quite a bit over the pandemic, and we do not have the luxury support on this. But fortunate enough, wonderful talents in UM actually have patented antimicrobial coating agent. We were surprised that not only the developed countries has the technology, but us too have it. Having Malaysian own product not only will greatly reduce the cost, but also technology showcase of Universiti Malaya's students. Therefore, we are proud to be called commercialization partner for this antiviral coating agent that was invented by Professor Nasruddin and Professor Shakil from UM PDAC. As per mentioned by Dr. Ivy, TouchSafe together with UM have coated the furnitures and toilet of KPPI level 1. Our coating agent can last up to 1 year. In other words, you guys are all safer in this environment from viruses. Also, a bit of sharing of what's happening in US, China, and Europe. Currently, there's a major spike of cases due to the newest strain XBB 1.5. I wish everyone here still continue to take precautionary measures and stay safe. Once again, thanks UM for the opportunity, and we hope with us there's more technology transfer to the industry. Thank you everybody and have a nice day. Cheers.
Jutaan terima kasih diucapkan kepada Encik Richard Tan Han Cheng di atas ucapan itu tadi. Majlis mempersilakan pula Dr. Leong Chi On, Ketua Pegawai Eksekutif Syarikat AGTC Genomics Indian Berhad untuk naik ke atas pentas bagi menyampaikan sedikit ucapan. Dipersilakan.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen and honorable guests. Thank you for having me here this evening. So we are honored to, sign the MOU with University of Malaya to move forward our collaboration into the next level. Now, over the past few years, genomics have made a significant stride in many aspects of research and also our life. From the sequencing of the COVID-19 to cancer research, and from personalized medicine all the way to even agri-genomics and also biodiversity. So we have seen genomics have changed life. We have seen genomics have transformed how our future is going to be. Unfortunately, this technology has often been seen as very expensive and unaffordable in the developing country. As the collaboration with UM, AGTC Genomics is strive to bring this technology more accessible to everyone in Malaysia. In fact, our investment and also the state-of-the-art technology can now allow us to sequence the whole human genome, not just one, actually 50 human genomes in less than 2 days. Imagine this type of technology that we can actually apply to the research that we are actually running every day, and imagine how this can actually change our practice in healthcare. So we are not talking about getting a decision for cancer treatment in months, but with this technology, we can actually shorten the diagnosis of cancer from months to even days. So this is critical because knowing the mutations, not just one mutations, but a whole range of cancer driver mutations that could allow us to better prevent, predict, and also treat the cancer in the most precise way. This can help us to save a lot of the cost, to save time, and more important, to save life. Now, with the collaboration with UM, we are really, really grateful that beyond cancer research, we are now moving into antimicrobial research and also planning to develop a low-cost and a state-of-the-art technology for colorectal detection. As we know that, colorectal is one of the major cancers in Malaysia and in fact in Southeast Asia. It is a curable disease if it can be detected early. Unfortunately, most of the time, this cancer was actually detected very late, and that render the patient's survival rate becoming significantly reduced, and the cost of management also significantly higher. Imagine if we can detect the cancer at stage 1 or even at the pre-malignant level. The survival rate can be up to 90% compared to if it is detected in stage 3 or stage 4, where the survival rate is only about 30 to 40%. If we can do that, I think this will be a very significant impact to the society and also a significant impact to the economy. Our company is dedicated to driving this progress in genomics forward together with not only focusing on research and research development and innovations, but as a local partner and as a homegrown tech company, we also aim to provide training to the local talents. So these are technology that require high skills, and as a researcher, sometimes we take a very easy route by outsourcing this technology, by outsourcing to other countries to actually run the service for us. But by doing that, we actually lost the opportunity to train our local talents. And not to mention, we might even lose our data to other countries. Moving forward, data sovereignty is going to be a major challenge as we come into the genomic era. And moving forward, skills in genomics is going to be very important, and that's why we decided to set up our lab here in Bukit Jalil, Kuala Lumpur. That could also allow us to train our local graduates into this, in this state-of-the-art technology. I'm grateful to have the opportunity to work with all of you, and I look forward to seeing amazing things to accomplish together with Professor Ivy and also with Professor Cindy Tay and the collaborators. And hopefully we will have we can work together with the entire Universiti Malaya community to make genomics research more accessible to the country. Thank you.
Terima kasih diucapkan kepada Dr. Leong Chee On di atas ucapan itu tadi. Seterusnya, majlis mempersilakan pula Ms. Yen Lee, Ketua Pemasaran Syarikat Reskills Agtech Sendian Berhad untuk naik ke atas pentas bagi menyampaikan ucapan beliau. Dipersilakan.
Testing. Salam sejahtera and good afternoon to Professor Dr. Nasruddin, Directors of Power Energy Dedicated Advanced Centers, and Professor Dr. Sanjay Ramphals, Deputy Dean of Research Faculty of Medicines, as well as Professor Dr. Ivy, the Directors of Universities Malaya Centers of Innovations and Enterprise. A very good afternoon to all the ladies and gentlemen here. Reskills is truly delighted and grateful to be the part of these collaborations with Universities Malaya and University Malaya Center of Innovations and Enterprise. Since time immemorial, industry academic partnerships has formed the foundations for a thriving scientific landscape and are the key components of achieving technology breakthrough and cultural revolutions. We always held and CIE in a very high regards and have long been impressed by your excellence. Therefore, it gives us a very great honors to be a part of these partnerships to collaborate with both of the parties. We hope that our humble educational programs can really help, will prove useful in helping your students, your researchers, as well as the whole to empower, to enhance them with knowledge. As the diplomat Kofi Annan once said, knowledge is power, information is liberating. Education is a premise of progress in every society and also every family. So Reskill believe that these powerful partnerships do not only have the potential to transform life, but also lay the foundations for better worlds of tomorrow. Therefore, we believe that much benefit can be created through these collaborations and partnerships, and I sincerely look forward to working together with our esteemed partners today. So ladies and gentlemen, hereby I really hope we all can continue to become a lifelong learners and keep working together for our dreams, for our dreams. Let us strive together to establish a culture of learning in our country for our nations today. Thank you everyone.
Terima kasih Ms. Yen Lee di atas ucapan yang diberikan sebentar tadi. Demikianlah tadi ucapan daripada syarikat-syarikat yang bakal menandatangani perjanjian persefahaman MOU bersama Universiti Malaya. Kini tibalah masa yang dinanti-nantikan. Dengan itu, majlis mempersilakan Timbalan Naib Chancellor Pendidikan dan Inovasi, Profesor Insinyur Dr. Shaliza Ibrahim dan Encik Richard Tan Han Cheng, Ketua Jawaran Syarikat Taj Sif Sendian Berhad, untuk naik ke atas pentas bagi sesi menandatangani perjanjian persefahaman MOU. Majlis turut mempersilakan Yang Berusaha Profesor Dr. Ivy Chung, Wakil Universiti Malaya, dan Cik Tan Jiayi, Ketua Operasi Syarikat Taj Sif Sendian Berhad, selaku saksi untuk menyempurnakan sesi menandatangani perjanjian persefahaman MOU. Dipersilakan. Dijemput Wakil Universiti Malaya dan Wakil Syarikat Taj Sif Sendian Berhad untuk ke tengah pentas bagi sesi penyerahan dokumen perjanjian, seterusnya menyempurnakan sesi penggambaran. Majlis diteruskan lagi dengan sesi penyerahan cenderamata oleh Wakil Universiti Malaya kepada Wakil Syarikat Taj Sif Sendian Berhad. Terima kasih diucapkan kepada Yang Berusaha Profesor Dr. Ivy Chung, Encik Richard Tan Han Cheng dan Encik Tan Jiayi di atas sesi menandatangani perjanjian persefahaman sebentar tadi. Diminta Yang Berusaha Profesor Insinyur Dr. Shaliza Ibrahim untuk kekal berada di atas pentas bagi menyempurnakan agenda yang seterusnya. Seterusnya, majlis menjemput Yang Berusaha Dr. Leong Chi On, Ketua Pegawai Eksekutif Syarikat AGTC Genomik Sendian Berhad, dan disaksikan oleh Cik Kor Yin, Ketua Pemasaran Syarikat AGTC Genomik Sendian Berhad, dan Profesor Dr. Shanjir Rampal, Timbalan Dekan Penyelidikan Fakulti Perubatan, untuk naik ke atas pentas bagi menandatangani perjanjian MOU. Dipersilakan. Dijemput Wakil Universiti Malaya dan Wakil Syarikat AGTC Genomic Sdn Berhad untuk ke tengah pentas bagi sesi penyerahan dokumen perjanjian, seterusnya menyempurnakan sesi penggambaran. Majlis diteruskan lagi dengan sesi penyerahan cenderamata oleh Wakil Universiti Malaya kepada Wakil Syarikat AGTC Genomic Sdn Berhad. Terima kasih diucapkan kepada Yang Berusaha Dr. Leong Chi On, Cik Corby Yen dan Profesor Dr. Sanjay Rampal di atas sesi menandatangani perjanjian persefahaman MOU sebentar tadi. Sekali lagi diminta Yang Berusaha Profesor Insinyur Dr. Shaliza Ibrahim untuk kekal berada di atas pentas bagi sesi yang seterusnya. Kini majlis ingin menjemput Miss Yan Lee, Ketua Pemasaran Syarikat Reskills Act Sdn Berhad dan disaksikan oleh Encik Stanley Goh, Timbalan Pengurus Besar Syarikat Reskills Act Sdn Berhad dan Yang Berusaha Profesor Dr. Ivy Chung, Wakil Universiti Malaya untuk naik ke atas pentas bagi menandatangani perjanjian MOU. Dipersilakan. Dijemput Wakil Universiti Malaya dan Wakil Syarikat Reskills Act Sdn Berhad untuk ke tengah pentas bagi sesi penyerahan dokumen perjanjian, seterusnya menyempurnakan sesi penggambaran. Majlis diteruskan lagi dengan sesi penyerahan cenderamata oleh Wakil Universiti Malaya kepada Wakil Syarikat Reskills Act Sdn Berhad. Majlis merakamkan jutaan terima kasih kepada Yang Berusaha Profesor Insinyur Dr. Shaliza Ibrahim, Profesor Dr. Ivy Chung, Miss Yan Lee serta Encik Stanley Goh di atas penyempurnaan sesi menandatangani perjanjian persefahaman MOU sebentar tadi. Dengan itu, maka berakhirlah sudah sesi menandatangani perjanjian persefahaman MOU pada hari ini. Sebelum kita bersurai, mari kita bersama-sama bergambar sebagai tanda kenang-kenangan. Dijemput fotografer bagi menyempurnakan sesi penggambaran. Dipersilakan. Diminta juga semua para hadirin yang berada di belakang untuk beranjak ke hadapan supaya gambar kita lagi cantiklah nanti. Persilakan para hadirin yang berada di belakang minta anjak ke hadapan. Okey, semua freestyle. Baiklah, majlis mengucapkan ribuan terima kasih kepada semua tetamu yang telah menyokong perjalanan majlis pada hari ini. Majlis turut menjemput para hadirin untuk menghadiri majlis perasmian Carnival Penyelidikan Universiti Malaya UMRC 2022-2023 dan penyerahan sijil akreditasi yang akan diadakan pada esok hari 9 hari bulan seawal jam 8.30 pagi di auditorium KPPI. Semua tetamu dijemput hadir untuk memeriahkan lagi program UMRC 2022-2023. Seterusnya dijemput juga div-div terhormat serta semua para hadirin untuk menjamu selera di bilik jamuan yang telah disediakan. Dengan itu berakhirlah sudah majlis kita pada petang ini. Saya sudahi dengan wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sekian, terima kasih.